Welcome back to Taja's Garden. I'm the gardening realtor. If you're new here, I'm glad you're here, and if you're returning, welcome back. So today we are going to be cleaning up my front garden beds. I'm so excited about this. Last year I actually did solarization up there. I put this clear plastic on the tops of my garden beds, and I cut out the holes so that the plants can actually go in the ground. Everything that was growing underneath the plastic, aka weeds, was actually going to die because of the sun. So it looks like it did a pretty good job. Some weeds are starting to grow out of the holes, so they found their way out. So today I'm going to go through and pull all of them, put some more mulch down, add more plants, and cut all of the hedges. I also need to trim my crepe myrtle. It is super tall and I don't want it to get even taller than that. I don't want to have issues with, having to clear out a bunch of stuff out of my gutters. So I'm just going to go ahead and trim it a good amount. So I hope I don't damage it because it should be getting ready to bloom in a couple of months. So I am going to go ahead and make sure I do that today. I'm still trying to figure out where I'm going to go to get the plants. I was thinking about going to Lowe's because I went last year, but I might go and do a little bit of research and try a new nursery. A different nursery, not new, different for me, new to me. I might go ahead and try a different nursery that's local and see what they have, and then we'll go from there. Got the hedges trimmed up pretty nice. So I'm at Lowe's. The reason why I'm here is because the nurseries that I wanted to go and try out are not open. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what I can get here at Lowe's, and I'll show you what they have. So they have 12-pack annuals, 2 for $20. And those are things like this. Like this is Vinca, Dianthus over there, a lot of Dianthus, Marigold, Pelosia. And then over here they have 5 for $5. So I decided to go ahead and get 5 of these petunias, and their deal is 5 for $1 each, so this should just be $5. Give me the other ones. So when I got back home, I realized that I need to get some more garden shears, the ones that can trim hedges, so that I can cut that crepe myrtle. So I ended up having to stop by Walmart. So that is what I am doing now. I need to get some more of those. I'm gonna go with these. Pretty sure I got this one last time and this rusts way too fast. So let me get this. It's made out of titanium. It says that it's stronger too, so I think that's what I'm gonna go with. Next, I'm going to go through and cut these as low as I can because I see some new growth in here and all of this is dead from last season. So we're going to cut it as low as we can so that when the new growth comes, we don't see any of this. Growth coming up, so eventually you won't be able to see all of this because that new growth will be blocking it. And if you want to, you can actually use these for compost. There's no seeds in it, so it'll be perfect for compost or for mulch. So I went ahead and laid the petunia where I would like it to go. I still have some phlox over here. This is actually its first year blooming. When I got it last year, it was after its blooming season. So it is blooming bright and pretty. And I got these purple petunias. So I'm gonna put one in between each row. And then I have one over here as well. I only have 5 petunias. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just skip that part right there since that's gonna be big and pretty. And that's right in front of the house, so that is good. And then I'll put one right there and one right here. I'll see how it turns out, and if I don't like it, I might add another one over here in this corner. But once that blooms, it's gonna be big, so I don't think we necessarily need one right here. So I just dug this hole right here. This is where the petunia is gonna go inside of, but I'm going to amend it with a little bit of potting mix. This is gonna help with the drainage, and I'll do that for every one of the holes that I'll put the petunias in. I'm going to loosen up these roots. All right, so we are finally done with the entire bed. and it looks great. These are, I believe these are called burberry bushes or barberry bushes, and they're gonna get really big and red. They are starting to grow back. They actually ended up losing all their leaves during the winter time, so they are gonna be big and full by the summertime. Over here in this pot is peppermint, and I'm gonna go ahead and water that. I see that it's starting to come back, so when everything starts to bloom, when those little bushes start to fill out, it's gonna look great. Well, it has been a very, very windy day, but I'm so happy to finally have everything done. If you have any questions, please drop them down in the comment section below. If you have not already subscribed, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any video. And if you want to be part of an amazing gardening community, head on over to Facebook, type in Prosper and Plant. And if you can't find it when you type it in, I also have the direct link down in the description below. Click it, it'll take you straight there, hit join, and I'll see you over there.